If you're a business and you want to grow your business and you want to grow to other countries or other places, then what do, right? If they speak other languages and they do things differently, well, most companies just think that they need to translate something, right? You translate your website into the language and you knew that things were working by you. So it should work everywhere, right? And that's not what happens because people are very different in different places. The cultures are different, and there's a lot more than just a language difference. So, if you're thinking about it as your business to, expand into other markets, expand into other locations, you probably need some guidance. And that's exactly what we're here for. And I had just gotten off a call with a business associate of mine in another country. And we were talking about this exact issue and how important it is that you have conversations in the same way as people are expecting. So if you want to sell into, another area, another country, another culture, probably good to talk to somebody with some real global experience. So hit me up with a message and let's do just that. I'd really love to hear about your business and what your, plans are, and try to give you some pointers and give you some good direction. So message soon.